Welcome back to my channel, guys, and in today's video I have crap load of empties and they are falling everywhere. So before I drop them all, let's start with this video. So guys, first thing I have is this Neutrogena makeup wipe, and that's how this box looks like. This box is only available at Costco or Sam's Club and it comes with these wipes, but you can find these wipes individually in Walmart, Target, anywhere pretty much where makeup is sold, and it's basically a good value pack for getting these makeup wipes. And these makeup wipes are amazing, guys. I have talked about them a lot in my previous empties video also. If you guys want, I'll link all those videos in the description box so that you can check out what my empties are till now. So I have been using these wipes from a long time now, and just one makeup wipe is enough for your entire face. Then the second thing I used up is this Olay body wash. I really love Olay. I think it makes my skin feel more moisturized. The only two body washes which I felt were doing good to my skin from drugstore were Dove and Olay. So I would be using this again and again. I have it in my shower right now, and this is the one I finished up. And the fragrance on this is Cooling White Strawberry. So the face wash I used up is from Biore and it's charcoal face wash. Yeah, I have been using Clean and Clear's face wash from a long time now, but I thought of switching up and I bought this. I really love this. I got this and I'm still using it. I'm really loving it for my skin. It's doing good for my oily skin. So that's how it looks like. You can get it on like Walmart, CVS, Walgreens, anywhere, but I would recommend that getting it on Walmart because it's cheapest there. And this is my Victoria's Secret lotion. I really love the fragrance in here, but I don't think it moisturizes your skin or anything like that. It just gives fragrance, and moisture somewhere evaporates after some time and your skin feels really dry. So I don't think I'll be buying these anymore. I feel Bath and Body Works moisturizers are better than these ones. Talking about Victoria's Secret, this is my body mist, and I really love body mists from Victoria's Secrets because A, they are affordable, and B, they last whole day. So this bottle lasted me for 4 to 5 months and I was really happy about the fragrance. It's really rosy scent and very fresh. So that's how the bottle looks like. And here is Femme Skin Bleach, and it's for your facial hair, and it's mild for sensitive skin tone. I'm getting rid of this because recently I discovered that it has expired, and I don't want to put expired chemicals on my face. So that's how it looks like, and you can get it in India anywhere, but here you can get it at Indian grocery stores. That's where I got this from. Then I have this pair of shampoo and conditioner. It's from Life Clean. You can get these at Target. I got these as promotional thing from influencer. I used them up, but I felt they were little bit drying for my hair, but overall I enjoyed these. These are good if you want to try it out. I'm not kind of a fan of these. They were okay, but there are definitely better options out there at drugstore. Then I used up this coconut milk hair serum. This is really amazing, guys, and you just apply this onto your wet hair and it detangles your hair like magic, and it's really good. The only thing I hate about it is the fragrance. If you apply it, you get kind of coconut kind of smell in your hair, which I don't like, but overall texture and how my hair feels after I apply this, I really like that. Then guys, I had these little samples from Philosophy, and two of these are facial exfoliating face wash, and this one is body cream. And as you can see, I used all of them. I really enjoyed this face wash, and this cream was really hydrating. And I am thinking of switching off my face wash, but currently I'm happy with my Biore face wash. So this is a good option if you want to try something high-end. Guys, here I got a face mask from Botanics, and it was clay mask, and I really enjoyed this mask. So you can see I have already cut and scraped out everything I could, and that's how it looks like. I got it as sample. The only concern was getting product out of this tube. It was like mess, and product used to accumulate here, and it was really difficult for me to squeeze it out. I think tub would be a better packaging for this kind of a product, and it worked amazingly on my skin. It gave me a lot of shine. So I really love this product. Maybe I can buy this, but in tube I have to give it a thought because I like Glam Glow kind of packaging for this product. Talking about Glam Glow, here is Glam Glow, and it's again a clay mask, and I really love it. I love getting samples of these from Sephora, and I tend to use them all. So that's how it looks like. And if you get it in a bigger pack or the normal which are there for sale, they are in tub form, but the samples generally come in tube form. So I was easily able to squeeze product out of this, and I really enjoyed this. So guys, this was a sample again, and it was a serum. Honestly, I used it for a week and I didn't notice any significant changes. So it's really difficult to judge a skincare based on 7-day use or so. You have to really use it for 1 month or 2 months to actually see the results. So for me this didn't work, and that can be because I just used it for a week because that's what I had in this tube. So that's that. So guys, this was a sample again, and it was a serum. Honestly, I used it for a week and I didn't notice any significant changes. So it's really difficult to judge a skincare based on 7-day use or so. You have to really use it for 1 month or 2 months to actually see the results. So for me this didn't work, and that can be because I just used it for a week because that's what I had in this tube. So that's that. Then I used up this oil, and I have been using this oil for past 2 or 2.5 months. I even reviewed this on my channel, and that's how the bottle looks like. I'll be retaining this bottle and putting my favorite oils in it to like put in my hair, and I'll not be getting rid of this bottle, but the thing inside this, the oil which was in it, is finished, and I really loved it. You can get it at Amazon. For more details, just click the link in the description box to see the full review on this product. Then guys, I have these peels, and I have like 2 weeks use left in here. Rest everything is over, and I have a full review on these facial peels. They were good. I'll link the full review in the description box below, and you can check it out. And after I finish with this, I might be trying something new because that's what I like to do. I like to buy new facial peels and review those on my channel. So once this is over, I'll be getting new one. Next is this Genifique, and it's from Lancome. I have a full review on this product. I'll link that in the description box below. And I think I have 1 or 2 weeks use left in this bottle, and then I'll be done. And guys, just check out my review to get more details about this product, and that's all. Next is this Queen Helen Mint and Julep face mask. This is amazing guys. Like, if you have acne, this is the best thing you have. And it is at drugstore for $2 or $3. It's really cheap, and you can use it as overall face mask, or you can use it for spot treating your pimples. You just take little bit of the mask and put it over your pimple, let it be there overnight, and next day it will be healed. So I do it every time. I really love it. I think I have finished 1 tube previously, and this is my 2nd or 3rd tube, I don't remember. But you can check out my empties video playlist and see like what products I have been using. So this is the mask. I really love it. I really recommend you guys trying it out if you are suffering from acne problem. And for more questions, you can comment down below or message me, and I'll be able to answer your queries. And then this is hair chalk. I think I did a review on this. I did a video. I'll link that video in the description box, and I don't think I liked it that much, and I hit ban from the first use itself, so I kept it away. I don't want to damage my hair or anything like that, so it's going. And then I have this mask, guys. I got two for $5 from Walmart, and I really wanted to try charcoal everything. So this was the mask I tried, and honestly, I didn't felt any changes in my skin. It did tingle a little bit, which it says at the back of this card, but I don't think it did much to my skin. Now comes some makeup, and this is the brow kit from Milani, and I have used it for a longest time now. Now I have switched to Maybelline brow kit, and I'm really loving that. But previously this was the one I used to use every day, and I really love it. I totally recommend getting this, guys, and it's an amazing starter kit for your brows. If you are just getting into brow thing, this is the first thing you should try, and this is really amazing. So the next I have is two lipsticks from Maybelline, and they are called they are water shine pure lipsticks. I don't know whether Maybelline makes these now or not, but I had these from 7 or 8 years back when I was not even married, and the shades are B24 and C22. So those are the shades. These were really amazing, and these were the lipsticks I used to wear when I was in college or I was working. So you can see here are the two lipsticks. I wanted to keep them, but I knew I will never use them, so there was no point of keeping them. And moreover, I think they have turned bad. So that's how they look like. They are very shiny, almost gloss like, and first one is little bit pinkier, second one is coral. So that's how they swatched. And here's a lipstick, Shumira, and I got it from Singapore when I visited Singapore, and I used it a lot. And you can see it's more of a orangey kind of a lipstick, like you can see it right here, and very shiny. I used it a lot, but now I feel that it has gone bad. And these are lip stains from Wet n Wild. You can see how they have separated in tube. I almost do not want to apply them on my lips because in tubes they look like they have turned bad, so I'm getting rid of these. And by the way, I think I have a full review on these, and if I have, I'll link that below in the description box so that you can check these out. Then I have these two HD blushes from e.l.f. and guys, these have turned bad. These are totally solid inside. You cannot pump out anything. Like, see, you cannot get anything. So they have turned bad, so no point retaining them, so I'm getting rid of these. You can see how they are cracked inside, and these are, I think, 4 years old in my collection. And the next thing I'm getting rid of is this eyeliner from Skin, and I got it in one of my subscription boxes, and you can see how this thing is like. It's like rubbery thing and no pigment there, so even if I try to swatch it, it will not swatch. It's very rubbery or waxy kind of thing, so I think it has turned bad and it's good time for me to get rid of it. Then I have these two glosses, and these were my very first purchases when I came to US. I wanted some cheap glosses and I picked them up from Walmart. Never used those, but that's how they look like, and I'm getting rid of it because it's too old. And here is the eyeliner from Milani, which I'm getting rid of, and the shade is Timeless. And these eyeliners were really long lasting, but the problem with this one is this one has dried out, so you can see it's not even swatching properly. So it's good time for me to get rid of this. And the next thing I'm throwing away is this lip gloss from Maybelline. Yeah, and you can see it's like sealed. I haven't used it, and I got in I got it during my wedding. I don't know who gave it to me, but I never happened to open it up and use it. So here it is swatched, but I don't think it's like good idea to use it now because it's too old. So I'm getting rid of it. And the last thing I'm throwing is this chubby stick. I think I got it from Aeropostale. It's called Lip Crayon and it has very funky smell, but I really love the color. You can see it right here. Color is amazing and I used it a lot, like you can see, but now I think it has gone bad because the smell is even funkier, so I'm getting rid of it. So guys, those were all the empties. I hope you enjoyed this video with my little reviews on each and every product, and all the links I have discussed in this video, I'll put them in the description box below. You can go check them out. And that was all for this video guys. I'll catch you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.